Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this is a second video about how to fill holes or how to fix the mesh. So something here like this, when your mesh is damaged or has holes. So I made a other video, but I forgot something to explain because there's a second method to fix the holes. So maybe you have here such an object with a lot of holes. So these holes are going through the mesh, and the other ones, so you see here, here this is a two-sided option, and this is a backface color. So you can look inside the mesh here, and this you have to check which hole you have. So sorry, yeah, I'm on the wrong mesh here. So here the backface color is now off, and you can now look inside the whole thing. But I use always a colored backface to see it clearer. Okay, so I start with a method with a trim tool. So here in the filter settings there's a checkbox for front facing vertex only, and so, and here on the left side you find here the method you can use here to close the holes. So here you can use fill or legacy. So let's use fill and try to close the holes. So this works. And legacy, I think, is when you want to close only one hole, so like this. Yeah, it works for this here. And the other method is, so you can also use the smooth tool. And for the smooth tool, you have to change here the topology to dynamic topology. And here enable dynamic topology and use a low density, so a low detail. So when you now use your smooth tool, so I'm using the brush radius here like this, and you smooth here out your mesh, the mesh closes the holes. So, and this also works for such holes here. So these holes are going through the mesh. So let's check what happened. So let's look inside the whole thing. And so you see here a few problems are inside the mesh, but this doesn't matter because, so when you fix it here, and then you have to voxel remesh or remesh the whole thing here in the dynamic topology remesher. So, and now it should be okay, I think, inside. No, this doesn't fix the inside problems, so you have to voxel remesh. Now it should be okay. So everything is fine inside. Okay, the other thing here is, here on this mesh here, so use dynamic topology and try it here, and so like this, and maybe these, the holes here like this here, they work, I think, so with a dynamic topology. But the other holes here, these holes are going through the mesh, so it's a very thin shape here. And when you use here dynamic topology, so yeah, it doesn't like it. So I think so like this here, this doesn't work here. So you have to use the trim, front facing vertex only, lasso, legacy, and then trim here. And then also the back side. So like this here. So this should fix the holes. And then voxel mesh and you have a clean mesh. So now the holes are all gone. So this is a little bit about hole fixing. So yeah, there are more tricks, maybe another video. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting and ciao.